Welcome back. Well, millions of Americans who use Equifax are now working to determine if they were given an inaccurate credit score when applying for a loan. A so-called technology coding issue saw Equifax handing out credit scores that were at times off by up to 20 points. NewsNation's Brooke Shaver live with details. And Brooke, you spoke with someone who thinks they were unfairly affected by this.
Yeah, that's right. I talked to a guy who thinks he is one of those impacted customers. He told me that all of a sudden, back in March, his credit score dropped 20 points, just as he and his wife were trying to buy their first house.
Back in March, it didn't make sense. It didn't make a lot of sense to me.
Nicholas Schultz and his wife were in the process of buying their first home in Colorado Springs, Colorado this past March. When their mortgage lender went to lock in a rate, they reran the couple's credit score one more time.
The score came back 20 points lower than what it was originally in early March.
Schultz believes he is one of the roughly 300,000 customers impacted in what Equifax has described as a coding issue. The company admits that between March 17th and April 6th of this year, hundreds of thousands of customers were given inaccurate credit scores and experienced a score shift of 25 points or more.
Every little point honestly counts.
Kristen Myers is the editor-in-chief of The Balance, a personal finance and economics website.
For the people that were impacted that perhaps weren't even able to get a loan, that essentially meant that they weren't able to get a car to go to work, for example, buy a home for their family, maybe take out a personal loan to go to college.
In a statement, Equifax wrote in part, while the score may have shifted, a shifted score does not necessarily mean that a consumer's credit decision was negatively impacted. Nicholas and his wife Taylor were still able to buy their first home, but at a higher interest rate than they expected, which for them means roughly $400 more a month.
My wife's a social worker. She doesn't get to, she's not making six figures out there. She's working in the community. So I take on the load, and I'm a small business owner. So, it just kind of puts us in an even tighter situation.
So they are definitely feeling that financial impact. Schultz said he is talking to his lender, also an attorney, about this issue. As for Equifax, they said that the coding issue was fixed back in April. They said they're now working to determine the actual impact on consumers. Natasha?
Yeah, so many real-world impacts from this. Brooke, thank you so much for that report.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.